These engines' massive torque not only provide reliable power for transportation, but it also contains state-of-the-art fuel-saving technology, which is often paired with a hybrid electric system for maximum efficiency and range. This RV's eye-catching grille, brilliant chrome, state-of-the-art LED lighting, and unique body paint make it stand out on the road. When you take the wheel, you'll be greeted by an amazing cockpit that combines state-of-the-art technology with long-lasting usefulness. The traditional dashboard is replaced by a massive 15-inch digital display, which provides the driver with total control and the most recent data. The panel may be set up to show anything from engine diagnostics and navigation to tire pressure and trailer condition. The multi-function steering wheel, which includes all the necessary capabilities, allows you to operate the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road. The ergonomic design, luxurious leather seats with heating and massage capabilities, and top-notch sound system make long travels enjoyable. When leaving the cockpit, you can see the living room. The RV's interior is a luxurious retreat with an open floor plan and many power-operated slide-outs that expand the living area at the touch of a switch. The entire space is filled with opulent materials, from rich oak floors and magnificent cabinetry to plush leather couches and ornate ceiling decorations. The big panoramic windows bring in plenty of natural light, and the smart home system lets you control the climate, entertainment, and lighting with voice commands from a single touch panel. You may truly relax and feel at home here, no matter where life takes you. The master bedroom is a comfortable haven. Its luxurious linens, excellent mattress, and full king-size bed make it the perfect retreat after a long day of travel. There is lots of walking room and ingenious built-in storage choices. With a large flat-screen TV and a separate sound system, the bedroom has been converted into a private movie theater. The large windows with blackout curtains let you to sleep in complete darkness or wake up to a breathtaking sunrise, and you may change the ambient lighting to create a tranquil atmosphere. The bathroom has the atmosphere of a private spa. It has a huge shower with a glass enclosure, a full-size vanity with an expensive countertop, and a porcelain toilet. The shower's many jets and on-demand hot water systems ensure that you never run out of warm water. Ample storage for towels and amenities is seamlessly included into the design. The space is luxurious and surprisingly clean thanks to the modern, sleek finishes and top-of-the-line appliances in the design. The main attraction of the RV is its kitchen, which is made to satisfy even the most discriminating chef. It has granite or solid surface countertops, a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and a full-size stainless steel refrigerator. A large sink and a pull-down faucet make cleaning simple. Every part is of domestic quality, and the roomy handmade cabinets provide ample space for groceries, cookware, and dishes. This is not just a kitchenette. It's a full gourmet kitchen that can be used to rapidly prepare 5-star meals.